Introduction. Ananya is at a garment store with her mother. She is buying clothes for the summer season. She selects a black t-shirt, but her mother rejects it. Ananya wants to know why. Ananya's mother tells her that dark clothes are not right for summers. Ananya wants to know more about different types of clothes. Her mother tells her all about clothes when they reach home. In this lesson, you will learn about seasons.
Seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year. They are winter, spring, summer, and autumn. In winters, we wear woolens to keep ourselves warm. In spring, flowers blossom. Summers are hot. Trees shed leaves in autumns.
Summer season. Summer is a hot season. Days are long and nights are short in summers. We wear light-colored, loose cotton clothes. We beat the heat by eating ice creams and drinking cold juices, soft drinks, etc. We use coolers and air conditioners to keep our houses cool. Monsoon. The summer season is followed by the monsoon. It is also known as the rainy season. In this season, there is greenery all around. People use raincoats, rain boots, and umbrellas to protect themselves from rains. Winter season. Monsoon is followed by the winter season. It is a cold season. Days are short and nights are long. We wear dark-colored woolen clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. We drink steaming hot cups of tea, coffee and soups to keep ourselves warm. We warm up our houses by using heaters and blowers. Seasons. There are 3 main seasons in India. They are summer, monsoon, winter. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. The 3 main seasons in India are summer, monsoon, winter. In summers, days are long and nights are short. Monsoon is the rainy season. In winters, days are short and nights are long.